Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to show you sample work I have from a student. I'm going to hit Control and the plus sign so I can zoom in. So you can see, so this is the code we typed, and now they just substituted the title and the heading and their content for their website. So after they did that, they went to File, same thing like we did in the last lesson, Save As. You're going to save it to the desktop as index.html. And then I'm going to minimize everything, open that file up, and I'm going to show you their first web page. There you have it. So it's custom beats for everyone. And this is what they have so far. Stay tuned for next videos when we start doing links, pictures, changing font color. There's a tag for everything. Thanks for watching. Hope you have fun typing your HTML code. Till next time. Bye-bye.